Hi, this is what I'm going to do right now. This is Tom's Fighter, and I'll do the opening preview, next preview. Consists of 2001 DVD and 2009 reprint of FernGully, The Last Rainforest. That's going to be opening FernGully, Last Rainforest. Here's the opening for 2001 release of FernGully, The Last Rainforest. See the year 2001. So enjoy the opening. Chuck. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Enjoy the opening of the Last Rainforest. Enjoy it, right? I really don't have in terms of The Simpsons, Family Guy, and American Dad, Futurama. I don't have those because it's an appropriate show. They are not a nice show. Enjoy. This fair hardware animation for feature screen. And that's the opening for FernGully, The Last Rainforest. Bye.